Today, practice English shadowing through a story with useful expressions.
Listen closely. Repeat each line and follow Mia's mountain challenge.
You'll learn natural idioms and phrases as the story unfolds.
Every autumn, runners climbed Moon Ridge Mountain carrying a lit lantern.
Mia had watched from below for years, dreaming of the summit.
One evening, she signed up before fear could stop her.
At first, training felt exciting, and Mia bought expensive shoes.
But soon she started to take it lightly.
She skipped cold mornings and shortened every difficult practice run.
When uphill running got hard, Mia found ways to cut corners.
She kept putting off longer climbs until next weekend.
I'll wing it on race day, she told herself.
Race morning arrived under a dark sky and sharp wind.
Mia started fast, smiling as she passed the village gate.
By the first steep ridge, her legs had grown heavy.
Halfway up, she ran out of steam completely.
Her lantern shook as other runners disappeared into fog.
Mia sat beside a rock and called it a day.
From below, she later saw dozens of summit lanterns.
That quiet view made the truth hit home.
She had spent weeks preparing, without truly preparing at all.
The next morning, Mia made up her mind quietly.
She put away her shiny shoes and opened the route map.
This time, she stuck with it through rain and cold.
She climbed before work, after dinner, and every Sunday.
Week by week, she put in the hours.
She practiced steep paths until her breathing became calm.
She learned when to slow down and when to climb.
Some evenings, tiredness tempted her to turn back early.
Instead, she stayed on track and finished each session.
By autumn, her old shoes were scratched and muddy.
Race morning returned with the same cold mountain wind.
Mia started slower, protecting her strength for steep sections.
Near the ridge, freezing rain began hammering the path.
Her hands shook and water ran into her boots.
Still, Mia pushed through, one careful step at a time.
At the rock where she had stopped, she paused.
Her old scratch marks were still visible beside it.
Mia smiled, then climbed higher into the silver fog.
Before sunrise, the summit bell finally rang above her.
She reached the top, exhausted, soaked, and quietly laughing.
Every muddy morning had finally paid off.
Mia placed her lantern beside the others, still glowing.
This time, she stayed to see it through.
Below, Moonridge slowly filled with warm, golden light.
That was Mia's mountain story, full of useful, everyday expressions.
You heard each phrase naturally through her choices and challenges.
Shadow it again, matching the rhythm one line at a time.
Listen closely, repeat aloud, and notice how the expressions feel.
Keep practicing and let each retelling make English easier.